You know I love Washington, D.C., but I want to see more of the United States. My roommate Marcia and I will be on vacation at the same time. So we are going on a road trip together. Hi, Marcia.
Hi!
I packed my bags and I am ready to go.
Did you make a list of all the places you want to see?
I did. I want to see New York City and the Statue of Liberty.
And I want to see Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore.
And don't forget the Grand Canyon.
Let's not forget California's Redwood Forest. There are so many places to see.
We will be driving for a long time, so we might get bored.
Bored? No way. We can talk.
Or not talk.
We can play word games. We can sing. You know, Marcia, our trip is like that famous American song. This land is your land. This land is my land.
From California to New York Island.
From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Woohoo!
Will we be stopping soon?
We won't be stopping soon.
I'm hungry.
Marcia, we just left D.C. We'll be eating lunch in about 2 hours. Can you wait?
I guess.
Here, have an apple. It's organic.
Thanks. Okay, we will be arriving in New York City very soon.
I can't wait to see the Big Apple. Marcia, look, there she is.
The Statue of Liberty.
She is awesome. Marcia, in 10 minutes, guess what we'll be seeing?
What?
The largest rocking chair in the world.
No, we won't be seeing that.
It's on my other list, best roadside sights. Oh no, we littered, and my list is gone. Don't worry, I brought the book. And that is why I am so afraid of sheep. Wow, I feel better. Marcia, you are a great listener.
Where are we?
We will be entering North Dakota any minute now.
North Dakota? We are going in the wrong direction. We want to go to South Dakota.
No problem. I will just exit the highway. We will be going south in just a minute. There, done. We're going south. Okay, we will be stopping for gas and a bathroom break in about an hour.
Then we will be very near to Mount Rushmore.
Yay! Dead presidents' heads on the side of a mountain. Woohoo! We did it, Marcia. We made it to California. It's beautiful.
And we saw everything on the list.
Well, we saw everything on page 1 of the list.
What do you mean, page 1?
Oh, here are pages 2, 3, and 4. We'll be very busy driving back to Washington, D.C. Till next time.